So do you want to know how Sam Altman is connected to the Bangalore auto rickshaws and the Bangalore auto rickshaw drivers? Okay, so here's a real story that actually happened day before yesterday. In fact, yesterday, November 24th. And so you know Ola, you know Uber, these are the popular ride-sharing apps. And there's a unique, separately Bengaluru city auto drivers crowdsourced app for auto sharing and auto hailing. And this is called Namma Yatri. And I'll show you that in a minute. Namma Yatri is very popular, and there's a lot of people that actually use it. So let me get to that right away. Basically, this app, the cool thing about this is that it eliminates the third party, which is Ola and Ubers. There's no Ola and Uber in between. So these drivers get almost 95% of whatever you pay them, unlike in Ola and Uber, where they get only 75 or 70%, depending on the deal and the traffic and so on. So this app actually has been paid for by the Auto Drivers Association in Bangalore. And if you can see my screen, this is a very cool app, actually, very popular. And so look at the number of trips. It's actually helped complete 16 million trips so far, and over 100,000 drivers registered, nearly 2.395 million registered users, one of which is myself. And it's a very cool app, and drivers are happy with it, and so is the customer. The thing is, of course, the tech stack is entirely open. It runs on ONDC, which is the Indian government's open network for digital commerce, which is a challenge to the Amazons and the Flipkarts, as you know. And it's based on Beckn, the open protocol for open networks. Also, it's got Just Pay, so it's all fully tech, and driven, and it's a very good app. But why are we talking about this, and what's the SAM connection? Now, if you noticed, yesterday, for those that opened the app yesterday, the opening screen had this message. And I'm hoping you can see this, and I'll just read it out for those that cannot. It said, pickup is faster than the speed of Sam Altman's return. To book your ride now. So I thought that was like kind of a very cool way to get the attention of all the tech guys in Bengaluru. And this is how the Bengaluru auto guys are connected to Sam Altman. This is Bengaluru tech humor for you. So that was a cool thing. I thought I would end the week with this one, and stay connected, and continue to like and share this channel for more on the AI news that's coming up regularly. Take care and good day. Bye-bye.